Have you ever come across those viral Stephen Hawking videos on YouTube? Well, guess what? Creating one is actually super easy. All you need to do is type a few words and the AI will generate it for you. Let's see how it's done. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Image to video. Once you open Edimakor, head over the media section and choose Image to Video under AI Video. You'll see a variety of models to choose from. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Minimax Hailuo 02 model. It's a solid choice. Now, upload a picture of Stephen Hawking and enter your prompt in the text box, something like, "Several rocket launchers were installed behind his wheelchair. As the rockets began to ignite, he slowly soared towards the sky." Choose your duration, pick your resolution. Finally, click Generate. And that's it, you've just created a viral YouTube video in minutes. It's super quick, super easy, and perfect for boosting your views. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our Edimakor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.